Microsoft has just pushed out a new emergency patch for Windows 11 version 24H2. It's called KB5063060, also known as the June 11 update, because the June 10 update, the one Microsoft released just yesterday, was causing problems for some users. If you're on 24H2 and you play games like Fortnite, your PC might have randomly rebooted. The issue is linked to Easy Anti-Cheat, a service used by many online multiplayer games. Microsoft paused the June 10 update and quickly replaced it with KB5063060, the June 11 update. The June 2025 Patch Tuesday update for Windows 11 24H2 is now rolling out. If you're on the latest version of Windows 11, you can grab this new update by heading to Settings, Windows Update. This update brings one of the best new features we've seen in a while, a redesigned Share UI. When you drag a file to the top edge of your desktop, a new tray pops up, letting you drop that file into apps like WhatsApp. It even works the other way around, from your desktop to the tray. You'll see about 4 apps by default, and they change based on how you usually share files. Another big change: you can now open Copilot with the Win-C shortcut on any PC. If your keyboard has a Copilot key, that works too. And if you hold Win-C for a few seconds, Copilot enters press to talk mode. Just speak, and it listens. There's also a brand new Resume feature. It lets you pick up where you left off on another device. Say you opened a Word file on your phone, then locked your PC. When you unlock it, Windows will ask if you want to resume that file. It works across devices using OneDrive. And in our testing, it worked as long as the file was opened on your phone within the last 5 minutes. Microsoft is even testing ways to resume songs from apps, like Spotify, right where you paused them, on Android or PC. Thanks for watching.